I can be fucked with, no, with, no. I can be fucked with, no, with, no. You can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I be rich shit, huh? You can't touch this, hey. Walk the lip, huh? How many
What's good? What's poppin', you guys? Your girl is back. It is Nishtm, and I am back with another Bossmas bootcamp episode. Period. Like, I know y'all been waiting. So if you're new to my channel, hey boo, I am Nishtm. That's Nish, not the one with the too much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the too much gang, because baby, let me just say something to you real quick. If you're not too much gang, you're not enough gang. And that's just that on that per. If you're a return subscriber, treat stand your ground or you treat, period. So I'm gonna jump right into this video. Now let me tell you something about today's video. Today's video is literally a hack, and I know some of the girls that are in this field are gonna be very upset that I'm sharing these hacks with y'all, but it's like, baby, everybody needs to get their coin. Like, I'm all for saving my dollar, because boo, if I could get it for cheaper, that's just what I'm gonna do. So if you read the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to literally make business e-flyers online for under $6. No cap. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys some stuff on my phone. So I'll screen record it, and let me scoot over. So I'll screen record it and I'll put it on the side so that y'all can see what I'm doing. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of a website called Etsy. It's really popular, I don't know, up north where I used to stay. So I've always known about Etsy. I just recently, maybe like last year, found out about them doing templates. So I'm about to start my screen record. So looking at the screen, Etsy just has like a lot of different things, especially when it comes to like holidays, business oriented things. So if you just scroll down, you can see my recently viewed, because I was looking for stuff to do for this video. But y'all, Etsy has literally DIY templates that are so easy, and you can literally get an aesthetic on your Instagram by buying these really cheap e-flyers. There's people out here charging $30-$40 for an e-flyer that you can go on Etsy and purchase for $6 to $11. Like, no cap. So if you look at it, I have client cam, camera flyers, selfie flyers. So we'll just scroll through a couple. I've already bought one for this video so I can show y'all how easy it is. You do need to have a computer, because I don't believe you can do it on your phone. It is with Canva. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but let's just take a look at this first one, the DIY pre-made social media flyer. So it's so cute. Like, look how cute it is. So simple, and it's $10. Like, then you gotta look at the item details. I always look at the item details because I want to know how fast I can get the file. Usually it's immediate, like 24 hours. But I always just check the details, so it'll tell you what size, because sometimes they use template. I like Canva and template. I don't really see the difference. Canva, I think, is a little bit easier, and it's a little cleaner. So the materials are Canva, template, hair bundle, price list. Then it says graphic designer use is prohibited. My designs are not for resale. The person purchasing must be the client themselves. So this is because people will literally buy these cheap e-flyers on Etsy and then resell them to people as if they made them, and they'll like change the color scheme, change the font and everything, and just really take away from the creator who actually, you know, knows how to put together graphics. So what I also like to do is look at the reviews. So I'm not vouching for all of the Etsy sellers on here. I look at reviews when I'm about to buy something that I need a flyer. So my Black Friday flyer, I looked at the reviews. So her reviews seem pretty good. She has 232 shop reviews, and then people actually post like themselves using you know, the flyer that they made, or that, you know, they edited. So the flyer that we're going to use, now let me go back. The flyer we're going to use is this one. It's by Opulent GFX Studios. I've never used her before, but she has decent reviews, and it's a really cheap one, and it's cute, and you can get an aesthetic from this. So I already purchased it, but I have to show you guys on my computer how to edit it. So when you purchase off Etsy, I have my own account, and you guys will see that once I show you like the file download. But once you get the file, like once you sign up, you'll get the file. And sometimes if you don't want to sign up, they'll send it to your email. But either way, usually it comes like with a set of instructions, and it'll tell you literally how to just like click and change stuff. And playing around with Canva or template also helps when you're trying to, like, you know, add things or take away things or change backgrounds and things like that. I made my website, lashlosavvy.co, with templates from Etsy. So if you guys want the link to the lady that I used or the template that I got, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll send you guys the link. But yeah, so let's get into starting this template. So yeah, so this is from when I ordered the file. So I'm just gonna go to my order and see if I have the file. So I do. So let me, when you purchase on here, so this will be like what you purchased, and it says included one file. You know, I pay my pay because per my pay, and then it says ready to download. So I'm going to just download the file. Now that my file is downloaded, I'm going to go to my downloads, which is right here, and I'm going to open it. So this is just the link for the template. So once I click this link, it'll take me to the Canva website, and then I'll be able to edit it on there. So just press use template, and then here it is. So this is page 1. So usually I don't save that one, I only save page 2, which is here. So let's open this all the way back up. So here we go. So it literally gives you everything you need. It already sets the font, it already sets the color. So I'm just going to show you guys like some basic things to do if you want to make some changes to just, you know, add to the aesthetic of your brand. So say I wanted to make this a different color, I would just go here and press a color, and it literally will change the color of the wording. So if let's just say for my sake, we're going to do this color. Okay. Then I believe, yeah, this is removable, so you can just literally take, hold on, this picture and replace it. So usually I'll just do upload, and see I have photos already on here, so we'll just use this one of me. Okay, so I'll literally just like tilt my photo to try to align it with the phone. And so if this happens where the photo is in front, you just want to go up to position and put forward. Sorry, this is like all over the place, or to the front. This is just like, I've worked with the I work with this so much, like I just know how to do it. You can enlarge the photo as well, however big you want it to be. So we're just gonna make it a little bigger because I think the phone is. And I'm just gonna send this to the back because I want the phone to be in the front. So okay, the picture is still not big enough, and it's not tilted enough. So you literally just play, like I literally just play around with this until everything fits. So photo's too big. Here we go. So you see how that, boom, it just me. So my thing, this is like where you can put your little slogan. So mine's is save, smile, slay. That's mine. Don't take my shit, okay? Save. Why is it not in caps? Okay. Save, smile. Oh, it already says slay. And then like I said, you just literally, it's so easy. And I'll put at Lash So Savvy. And I don't like that font, so I'm going to change it. You just go up here and literally just play around with it. That's the pro. So make sure you guys aren't clicking the ones with the crowns, because those are ones that you have to pay for. But for the most part, everything is like free on here. So I'm gonna look at some calligraphy, see what's real cute on there. Nah, that's ugly. Oh, that's ugly. Nah. Let's see what else they got. Headings. And you literally just play around with this till you find what you like. So, I don't like any of those. So, he's gonna do this one. And just make it big as hell. Okay. And you can change the colors of these as well. So hashtag savage. What am I doing? Savage doll. That's mine. So literally go back to the colors. Just make it match. And I actually want this to be white. Let's change it to white. Just so everything goes together. And then your website. So mine would be lashsosavvy.co. And then literally I think it's kind of plain. So what I would do is I would add like some pizzazz. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna go to google.com. So I'm gonna do glitter PNG. Go to images, and you just want to find like a transparent little glitter swipe. I know that's, y'all be seeing all that. So I wonder if I can do this one. No, I don't think this PNG. Usually PNG, you don't see the transparent background. It just literally looks like glitter, and then when you click it, it'll be a PNG file. So none of these are PNG files. I wonder if this one is. Yeah, so this one would be a PNG file. Y'all see how when you pulled it up, it already had that. So I don't know why it's not letting me save it on my computer, so I'm just going to save it on my phone, the same one. So I'm just going to airdrop this to my phone, I mean to my computer. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to come back here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push upload on the side. Sorry if you guys can't see the button, but it's like upload. And then device, and then I'll click this, and it should pop up transparent. And this is literally like how easy it is to make your own flyer. You just literally need a base. So boom. And I just like to do this to just kind of like spice it up, like, and then you want to put this in the back of everything. So yeah, I mean, it's super cute, super easy. This video is not going to be too long, but let me show you guys how I, hold on, this needs to be white. I don't know what I'm thinking. Ooh, I don't like that glow. But it is what it is. I don't even care. I wonder if I can take it off. There we go. Okay. So this would be like my send me a selfie type of thing. Literally. I'm gonna try to make some effects on there. And literally all it really takes is for you to like play around with this. Like, it is not hard at all. So when you download it, you will come up here and it'll ask if you want to save it as a PNG, JPG, or a PDF. I just do PNG. And then for the pages, I literally will only do this one, page 2. So download it. And boom, there's my flyer. So you guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. You literally can do anything on Etsy. You can get business cards, you can get stickers, you can get flyers, you can get Instagram highlights. So if you guys want me to do like a more in-depth video on this, let me know in the comments, because I know it's kind of all over the place, but I've never taught anyone how to use Canva. So like, this is the best that I could do. If y'all want me to do like another one during this series to show y'all like how to do highlights and, you know, the effects and stuff, I can only like maneuver through the app because I know how to use it. Like I said in the beginning, I don't think you can use your phone, so you do need to have a computer to do this. And even if you just like went to the library or something, you just need to literally make it work for you. Do not make any excuses. I'm not paying $40 for flyer that I can pay $10, $20 for, and then not have to have a turnaround time to wait for you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if this helped you at all. Let me know if you're going to create an Etsy account. Make sure you guys add me on there. This video is not sponsored by them, but I do use them, Canva and Template. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of day 2, and I will see y'all girls in